You see the number, get at them. Just for the record, I didn't do the firewall. So we got the dually inside. I'm working up a plate for this battery kill switch. It's gonna be dumped in the auxiliary gas tank on the passenger side. So that'll go like that. About to weld that in. Alex making the front panels because we're cleaning up all this stuff on the sides, putting a new fender well in. He already did this stuff on the firewall, and then we're gonna make some tubs basically to cover up the engine bay, make sure nothing's getting in here. Just cleaning up the plate. So that'll fit up over inside this fender. Cleaning that whole area up. We'll be making the bolt holes for the hinges and stuff, so that stuff's all good to go over there and in the right location. And then basically putting that new fender in, and then we're gonna wall it off to make it go over the suspension to make the engine bay clear of anything getting in from the road, so it doesn't get all nasty and stays clean. So just some big old tubs basically, and some nice clean block off plates to cover everything. Dang! Yeah, that's pretty clean there, brother. Nice. All right, well, now we gotta do the other side. So I just DA'd this thing, got the holes all done out for the brackets and the marker light for the side of the fender, that side. But yeah, it looks dope. All right, grab it, let's see what it looks like. This thing's leaking gas again.
Good fitment is always tough.
Yeah, holes look mint.
Looks good down there.
Yeah. I'm kind of like bending up this sheet because we might just like bend it up and make it work over here, but we're not sure yet because we're going to do this side first. So yeah, I'm going to get that thing in there, drill them holers, and then tack it in, and then tack the fender in, and then tack this plate on that side, and then come up with a game plan to wall it off and get her done. Well, I got that side tacked in. Just gotta tack that side. Then we're gonna start getting these suckers all boxed in. I'm the tow truck operator today, boys. Pretty even.
No, the back is going to get that
Oh, yeah.